Hello students, today we are going to see the chapter number 2 fractions, and in this we are going to learn mental math questions. Then I will explain you how to solve these questions. Okay, now see the first question. 3 integer 3 by 4 divided by 3 by 4 is equal to. We have to find out the answer. Okay, so how to find the answer? 3 integer 3 by 4 divided by 3 by 4. Then convert it into the proper fraction. 4 3 is a 12. 12 plus 3 15. So 15 by 4 divided by 3 by 4. In the division process, this 3 we have to take this 3 by 4, we have to convert it into the reciprocal. Means what? We have to take reciprocal of 3 by 4 in the division process. So reciprocal of 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, and put here multiplication sign. Okay, in the division. So 4 4 cancel, means 4 1 is 4, 4 1 is 4 here, and 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. Okay, then the answer is what? 5. Understood? Now the answer here 5. Now the second question, a ribbon of length 5 integer 1 by 4 is cut into small pieces, each of length 3 by 4 meter. Number of pieces will be. So ribbon of length is given 5 integer 1 by 4 and it is cut into small pieces, and each of length is what? 3 by 4. Therefore we have to divide 5 integer 1 by 4 by 3 by 4. Okay, then we will get the number of pieces. Understood? See how to do this. Okay, 5 integer 1 by 4 convert into the improper fraction. 5 4 is 20 or 4 5 is 20. 20 plus 1 24 or 21. 21 divided by 4 and divide by 3 by 4. Again we have to do like this. 21 by 4 into reciprocal of 3 by 4. 4 by 3. 4 4 cancel. Then 3 1 is 3. 3 7 is 27. So the answer is what? 7. Understood? Okay. Then the answer is 7. Put tick mark here. The ascending arrangement of 2 by 3, 6 by 7 and 13 by 21 is. Now we will see the ascending arrangement. How to do ascending arrangement of? Means we have what? We have to compare that. Okay. Then see 2 by 3, 6 by 7 and 13 by 21. Okay. We have to convert into the like fractions. What is meant by like fractions? The denominator should be same. Denominator should be same. So here denominator, which denominator is greater? 21. So we have to convert this denominator into 21. We have to convert it into like fractions. Okay. So 2 upon 3. We have to convert it. Because see, therefore we have to here multiply by 7. Here also 7. 2 7s are 14 and 3 7s are 21. Denominator is 21. Okay. Then 6, we have to convert this denominator into 21. So we have to here multiply by 3. Here also 3. 6 3s are 18 and 7 3s are 21. Okay. And write 13 by 21 as it is. So which one is smaller? 13 by 21. So 13 by 21 write first, and again then we have to write 14 by 21 and then 18 by 21. Okay. Then see, compare it. Then we have to write 13 by 21 first. Then here 2 by 3. 2 by 3 and we have to write then 6 by 7. This is ascending arrangement of these fractions. Okay. 13 by 21 is the first. Then second is 2 by 3 and 6 by 7 is last. So the option second is correct answer. Option second. In the last pages back side, answer is given third option, but third option is not the correct answer. Second option is the correct answer. Okay. Now the fourth question is pictorial representation of 3 into 2 by 3 is 3 into 2 by 3. Okay. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So the here answer is what? 2. Then this picture is correct. This two part are there. Okay. Then the third option is correct. Now the fifth question is 3 by 7 of 2 by 5 is equal to. Okay. 3 by 7 of 2 by 5 is equal to. The meaning of means what? 3 by 7, take the multiplication sign. Meaning of means we have to take multiplication sign. 3 by 7 of 2 by 5. So 3 2s are 6 and 7 5s are 35. So the 6 by 35 is the correct answer. Okay. 6 by 35. Okay. Fourth option is correct. Now the sixth number question is one packet of biscuits require 2 integer 1 by 2, 2.5 cups of flour and 1 integer 2 by 3 cups of sugar. Estimated total quantity of both ingredients used in 10 such packets of biscuits will be. Okay. So we have to do the addition of this. Okay. Then see 2 integer 1 by 2 plus 1 integer 2 by 3. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5 by 2. And 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 5. So we have to do addition of this. So LCM, take LCM. 2 3s are 6. So 5 into 3 because 2 3s are 6. And 5 into 2 because 3 2s are 6. 5 3s are 15 plus 5 2s are 10. So the addition of 15 and 10, 25 upon 6. Okay. Now in the question, this estimated total quantity of both ingredients used in 10 packets. So we have to multiply it. Okay. Using 10 packets. Therefore 25 by 6 into 10. Okay. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 25 5s are 125 divided by 3. So we have to divide this. 3 4s are 12 and again 3 1s are 3 point and 3 6s are 18. Okay. So the 41.6 is the answer, but here approximately answer is given less than 30 cups. No, our answer is 41.6. Therefore, see, between 30 cups and 40 cups. No, between 40 cups and 50 cups. Okay. So 41.6 is the answer. Therefore, this one is the correct answer. Okay. Option number 3, between 40 cups and 50 cups. Now the next is what? The product of 7 and 6 integer 3 by 4. Okay. We have to take the product 7 and 6 integer. Product of 7 and 6 integer 3 by 4. You have to convert it into improper fraction. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3, 27 divided by 4. Okay. Then see, we have to do multiplication. 7 7s are 49. 4 is carry. Then 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4, 18. And 189 divided by 4. We have to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay. So for conversion of mixed fraction, divide it. 4 4s are 16. 8 minus 6 2. 1 minus 1 0. Take 9. Then 4 7s are 28. Then 9 minus 8 1. 2 minus 2 0. And take here one decimal point and take 0. 4 2s are 8. Okay. Then 10 minus 8 is equal to what? 10 minus 8 equal to 2. Or you can write it as 47 integer 1 by 4. Okay. Here it is given as 47 integer 1 by 4. Don't do this. Okay. Don't divide it here. You can write it as 47 integer, because we have to convert them into the mixed fraction. Okay. 47 integer 1 by 4. Understood? 47 integer 1 by 4. Now the next is what? 8 number question. 4 by 5 of 5 kg apples were used on Monday. The next day 1 by 3 of what was left was used. Now we have to weight in kg of apples left now is. Okay. Now see. Okay, we have to do this sum. 4 by 5 of 5 kg apples were used on Monday. So 4 by 5 of 5 kg. So multiply it. Then 5 will get cancelled. Then 4 kg apples were used on Monday. Okay, 4 kg apples were used on Monday. Then how many left? 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 kg left. Then the next day 1 by 3 of what was left was used. Okay, so 1 kg apples was left. Then next day 1 by 3 of that apples were used. Okay, then 1 into 1 by 3, because 1 kg is left, and then 1 by 3 of that apple used on the next day, means what? Tuesday. So 1 into 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, we have to calculate weight in kg of apples left now is. So, how many apples were left? So, we have to do subtraction. 1 minus 1 upon 3. Okay. So, 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 upon 3 apples were left. Okay. So, the 2 by 3 is the correct answer. Okay. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 was the correct answer. Now, the next is what? Picture. The picture interprets. Okay. This 1/4 portion is shaded here. Here is also 1/4, and here is also 1/4. Then the total portion is shaded in this 3 by 4. So the answer is what? 3 into 1 by 4 means 3 by 4. Okay. There are total 4 portions. Okay. And out of that 4 portions, 3 parts are shaded. Here 1, 2 and 3. Therefore the answer is what? 3 into 1 by 4 means what? 3 ones are 3. 3 by 4 is the correct answer. Understood? Thank you. Solve these mental maths questions in your textbook.